This meeting is being recorded.
Good afternoon, all of you. Online students, is it okay, audio and video? No, it's not that I will mention. Okay. So last explanation about concatenation operator. And moving to the next one. Increment and decrement operators. It comes under unary category. Increment and decrement. So plus is increment operator and minus is decrement operator. Plus is increment operator, minus is decrement operator, and both are unary category. Yesterday's all explanations are binary category. So what is the use of this increment and decrement, sir? Plus, it is incrementing 1. And minus, it is decrementing the 1. Means indirectly -1 and +1. So existing value +1. Existing value +1. It is called as incrementation. Existing value -1, it is called as the decrementation. And these operators we can use in 2 directions. One is variable before, second one is variable after. Similarly, this is also minus variable and variable minus. If used before the variable name, they should be called as the post operations. If used after the variable name, it should be called as the pre-operations. Sorry. Pre and post operations. What is the difference between the pre and post, sir? Timing of incrementation difference. Timing is difference. So finally, both are incrementing the 1. And finally, these two also decrementing the 1. But the incrementation timing is difference. Early incrementation, late incrementation. Early and late. Early in the sense over excitement. Late in the sense no excitement. 2 types of candidates are done. If anything happens in front of this, no excitement, no feeling, light. A small thing is also this one. Over excitement. Not person problem and internally hormones or genes problems. Small things also they are reacting more. The internal or body structure problem. Nobody can't do anything. If anything, big thing is also happens. Suppose mana race gurram Shruti Hassan style anamada. No actions. Allu Arjun's Shruti Hassan movie is there, na? Sad situation, happy situation. Your mother in ICU. Movie race gurram hai kada? So that is. Then what is the difference between these two, sir? Technically, there is no difference, sir. Operationally, difference available. Operationally, we have difference. To first do some other work, then increment it. Or first increment it and then do some other work. Same mobiles prepaid, postpaid connections style. In mobiles also we have two things, prepaid connections available and postpaid connections available. What is difference, sir? Both same. There is no difference. The only thing is first you are paying the money, then you are using services. Second thing, first you are using services and then you are paying the money. What is difference? First, if you pay the money, they're giving 10 GB speed. Before using the service providing, I paid the money, sir. So 100 GB speed giving. No, whether. Then why two things? Convenience. As per your requirements and as per your convenience. If you use like that, if you like this, GST common, service tax common, money paying also common, same network, same signal. There is no difference also. Then the only difference is somebody they know how much they want to use per day as a common human being. But companies they know sir, per day how much they are using. 1 GB only company using a per day. No. Once they started the uses, how much data they are using, no idea. So then only first they're using. How much I use it, that much I'm paying to you. That is called as the postpaid connections. So situational wise and when we have done so many changes in the pre and post, sir. Yeah, 0% changes, no changes. So in pre-operations, first you are utilizing the variable. After the utilization, you are incrementing the value or decrementing the value. In postpaid operations, first you are reverse listen. Prepaid operations, first we are incrementing the value and then we are using. Or first we are decrementing the value and then we are using. And postpaid operations are, first you can utilize as per your requirements, printings, calculations, anywhere. Utilization completed, then last go and increment that one. In output wise, we'll get any differences as sir. When you are applying independently or individually, there is no difference. 100% both gives the same output only. When you are applying the increment or decrement operators independently or separately, there is no difference between the post and pre. When you combine with any other expressions, other operations, you'll get the difference. Otherwise, there is no difference. Both same answer, same result, same operations. But a lot of people, they're thinking, post to pre, we have some difference. One number difference is comes. Prepaid is 6, the postpaid 5 only it will comes. These type of ideas are available, right? I expected. 100% wrong thinking. I'll prove it, you don't worry. Somebody misunderstanding that one. Communication gap. For 5 minutes, if you wait, I'll give you the clarity. Okay, now I'm starting implementation of this. Before that, previous example, once we'll go for execution. Current value of X is 55. Y is 90. So I'm applying the prepaid operations and postpaid operations on 55, means X back. X plus plus, postpaid. X plus plus, increment to 1. Increment to 1. Long back in HTML, input type equals to number, remember? Input type equals to number. A number box right side, up or down to arrow symbols available. When I click on the up arrow, +1, +1, +1. When I click on the down arrow, -1, -1. That is nothing but an incrementation, decrementation. So if I use the plus sir, +1, +1, +1, +1, +1. If I use the minus sir, -1, -1, -1, -1. Decrease 1, no, increase 1. Okay, this is called as the post operation. Just for confirmation, I'm printing the data, print X value. Current value 55, X value. When I increment that one, it will goes to 56. Last line observe. Now change this one to pre, sir. Then also same only. Then where is difference? I'll use the both also, you can observe. Both I'll use it. X plus plus, post. Plus plus X, pre. They use it only one incrementation, then only difference not comes. A field available, no? That also I'll remove now. 55 actual value. 55 plus plus, 56. 56 plus plus, 57. See the last two numbers. 56, 57. Change the order. Change the order. First pre, sir. Next post, sir. Again, same answer only. 56 and 57. Then where is difference? There is no difference. We are feeling psychologically like this. Then I want to see the differences, sir. Yeah, you can't see the difference. If you want to see the difference between these two, third person required. Third person required. Now the third person comes, then you will find some difference. But even the third person means other operations. Even if other operations are entered, X value, same while doing of pre and post operations. Others are getting affected, but original variable is not getting the difference between the post and pre. Who are depending on my value, dependencies are affected between the post and pre. But my original variable never got affected. Same answer. We want to see that also, sir. Yes, I'll show it. So this is the post operation and this is the pre-operation. Done. Now comes down. Difference I am showing. So let RES equals to 10 multiplied with X plus plus. Current value of X is 57. Continue with that 57. What is this incrementation, sir? Post operation. Post in the sense, later you are paying the money. First you are using the mobile. Use that first. Use first. What is current value? 57. 57 into 10. 570. That 570 is stored in RES. Utilization completed. Then Arams it is incrementing the plus plus. Now the X value is 58. 58 again. Now previously already 57. Now X value is 58. So that is 570, but X is 58. Even if I use like this, sir, this one put in comment, this time, sir, plus plus X. So what it is doing, sir? First incrementing the value. First incrementing. Incrementation value multiplied with 10 and result assigns to RES. So here multiplication first, incrementation next. Here incrementation first, multiplication next. That is some other operations before or other operations after. But you know one thing, in this case also X value is 58 again. That case also X is 58. But resultant value is 58. But who affected? X or RES? RES. That is what I said. Others are affecting, not me. Who are depending on my value, dependencies are got affected. They got the difference between the post and pre. But the original variable remains the same only. When you go for either pre and post operation, actual variable is same. There is no difference. You can check it, sir, now. So print the X value as well as print the RES value. Print X and RES. 58 and 58. Then do one thing. Put this in comment. Activate this one. Still I am 58, but result is 57, 570. That is, sir, pre and post activities. The same process follow the decrementation also. So once again, I'm saying either increment or decrement when used independently, when used individually, difference is not available. No difference. If you combine this with some other operations, other works, then only you can find the difference. Next and the last model, sir. Third category, ternary operator, and the operator name is conditional operator. Category ternary, operator name is conditional operator. The plus I explained the same, use the minus, you will get your idea. Conditional operator. So who is that, sir? Question mark and colon. Conditional operator is question mark and colon. What is this category, sir? Third category, ternary operator, and the last model also. So what is the use of this operator, sir? To perform decision-making operations. Decision-making. To take the decisions. Same as to if condition. If we have any if knowledge, same as to if. Decision-making, same as if. But purpose difference available. That I'm not touching that point. So what is meaning of decision-making, sir? Nothing else. You are doing a lot of times in real life, you are taking decisions. Today, Thursday, tomorrow, Friday, day after tomorrow, Saturday. Oh, Saturday next Sunday, na? Okay. So day after tomorrow, Saturday, right? But Saturday, afternoon 1 o'clock, afternoon 12 o'clock, Saturday afternoon. Because our class time 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock class time. So 1 hour before, 2 hours before, class time 2 hours. Lot of students are taking the decision. We have to go for today class or not. Saturday together, weekend together. And last Saturday, so many students absent. Coming Saturday. Generally Saturday, strength almost down. Why, sir? Becoming IT professionals. Saturday week off. Weekend. I saw the lot of Saturdays, not one Saturday. So many Saturdays, so many batches I observed that one. Confirmly strength down Saturday. Sunday, Monday again coming back. So Saturday afternoon, lot of people are taking decision. Weekend together, we have to go for it or not. Thinking. Or 5 minutes after you are taking some decision as the decision implementing. A general thing. Tomorrow Good Friday. But we don't have any holiday. But couple of students, they're thinking Good Friday, our festival. Class, festival. Somebody you are thinking that Good Friday. No holiday. Our next holiday, official holiday, on August 15th. There is no holidays in between. Ugadi holiday comes. Ugadi next official holiday, August 15th. In between, there is no official holidays. If anybody faculty taking the leave, I think you will get the bonanza, bumper bonanza. Faculty not taking the leave, katham. No holidays. Continuously sessions are running. So tomorrow, maybe somebody is not coming to classes, either online and offline, because somebody's festival tomorrow. Good Friday and one special decision making class, festival, class, festival. Somebody this side and somebody this side. This is called as decision making. Before doing some work, I have to do or not. I have to go or not. I have to sit or not. I have to play or not. I have to eat or not. These all are called as the decision making. So the decision maker is this one. Then why it is called as ternary operators, sir? Because this operator inside 3 operands available. This question mark requires the three operands. So as per that, we are saying it's a ternary operator. Conditional wise are decision making, condition checking. It's checking the condition. So that's why it is called as conditional. And how to use this one, sir? Write the condition here, question mark, write something step 1, colon, write something step 2. So this is the syntax how to use the operator. So what is working style, sir? First it checks the condition. If the condition is true, it runs the statement 1 as step 1. After execution of this step, then coming out of the operator. Condition success case. If the condition is false, sir, suppose, and directly jump to the step 2 and then come out. So success case, a failure case. This is the execution process. The given condition is true, run the step 1 and come out of the operator. The given condition is false, directly go to step 2, execute, then come out. So I can simplify this one, sir. This is question mark. If the condition is true, question mark left side part is executing. If the condition is false, question mark right side part is going to execute. Blind indication. Colon symbol. This is the colon symbol. True case, this one. False case, this one. Blind indication. Condition success, left side. Condition failure, right side. And one more small rule, sir. Official rule only. Colon before, colon after. We can write some code. Which code you want to perform, that code you can develop it. But the code should not exceed more than one line. More than one step doesn't accept. And less than one step also doesn't accept. Compulsory one step. Below one is error and above one is also error. So then only clearly mentioned here, step 1, how many steps? 1 only. Step 2, how many steps? 2 steps here. 2, 1 only. Okay. 2 So it's not steps. If I write the steps or if I write the statements, means more than one you can write. But I clearly write the 1 and 2 only. By chance, if I write below one statement, by chance, if I write above one statement, what happens, sir? Syntax errors causes. So it's a restriction, not my personal official rule only, that one. In all languages. In every language, the ternary operator inside, we can write maximum 1, minimum also 1 only. Now see the small decision making here. Y variable, Y they have some value internally already as per 90. 90 is the current value of Y. But I want to check Y is even number or not. I want to check Y is the even number or not by using this question mark operator. So Y percentage 2 equals to 0. Y percentage equals strict equal 0. Then print the message or return the message even number. Otherwise, return the message odd number. So this is what I explained just now. Condition true, sir. This message is comes. Condition false, sir. This message is comes. But which message it returns, that we have to display on the screen. So don't forget the document.write. It is not printing, sir. It is not directly printing. It's just confirming. A confirmed message, catch it yourself and display on the screen like this. If I remove this document.write, what happens, sir? No output. No output. So that's all, sir. Total 8 types, I think, completed. 3 categories, 8 types. And the last message is even number because of 90. because of 90. So general purpose operators all like covered how to use and what is their purposes. Next I'm going to operations. Operators over, then I'm going to operations. So what is the next program, sir? Operations. Actually, operations is not original heading, some other heading available. I'll reveal that one. So before that, one small definition, because next program running on this point only. What is that, sir? What is expression? Any idea? What is expression? Huh? Single line statement. Expression means. Boys, you are programming student here. Huh? Expression meaning if you don't know. Perfect, because of the fundamental of the programming. Operators, expressions are the basics of the programming. Fundamental of the program. Writing programs not important. Fundamentals also should be strong. Okay, I got the answer from couple of peoples. It is a combination of operator and operands. And an expression is nothing but a combination of operators and operands. Minimum one, no, maximum your interest. A square plus B square plus 2AB, sir, expression. Pi R square, expression. Half BH, expression. 2x square plus y minus 6, expression. A plus B plus C, expression. PNR by 100, expression. Group of operators and operands. It's called as expression. First to know the basics, then you can write programs. Huh? Why this dialogue? Huh? On a daily, we are writing lot of programs in languages. Huh? That's why I use this dialogue. Generally, I'm saying. So this program fully focusing on expressions, combination of operators and operands. How many is that? No idea. Minimum one, no. Maximum kilometer. But a heading still I'm not decided, sir. Oh, 5 minutes of suspense. A heading. What is the heading here? Demo on suspense. So I'm doing some small expressions here. Document dot write followed by small expressions. Two expressions I'm developing here. What is this called? Expression. Combination of operators and operands. It's called as expression. Next, the second expression. One more expression here. So these are the two expressions. Hmm. But what is the answer of this one, sir? Answer is not matter, sir, because if I run the program directly, system is showing that answer. Hmm. But answer is not important here. Directly run the program, browser is showing this is your answer. Nothing else. So one is the 100 and second one is the 106.666 something. What? Hold the answer. Answer corrected. There is no doubt at all. But now we want to focus evolution. Expression ready? Kada? Expression evolution we want to identify. Expression evolution means first which operator working, next which operator working. That is called as evolution of your expression. Huh? Boys, you can take the first one. Girls, you can take the second one. Use your general knowledge and little bit of coding knowledge. Boys first one, girls second one. In this total expression, first which operator is working, next which operator. Total how many operators in each expression? 4 operators. First expression 4 operators and second expression also 4 operators. Just I want to know who is first, who is second, who is third, who is fourth. First boys, second girls. 1 minute, think yourself, recollect. First think first. Don't do experiments on me. First think it. So online students also, boys take the first one, girls you can take the second one. Operators available. Which operator is running first, you can type like this. Suppose first minus, next star, suppose. Next plus, next percentage. You can drop the answer like this in single message. Individually, if you type it, I can't identify that one. In single message, 4 operators order type it. Online students. Boys, something mass, over mass, board mass, whatever it may be. Follow any mass. I need only answer. Start with boys. In this one, first which operator? Online students, you can drop that one. Like offline students, I'm asking. Percentage, very good. Next, multiplication. Next, because half students they're saying minus, half students they're saying the plus. Which side I have to go? Wait. Plus. Okay, majority plus, sir. So I'll go for majority because India democratic country. Majority which side? That side. Khatam. Next, girls, second expression. Division. Next. Star multiplication. Majority I'm going, democratic country kada. Next, addition. Next, multiplication over already. Subtraction. No, na. You're silently sitting. Why? Second row. Rest. Oh, they're giving chance given to those. Girls, boys right or wrong, they said with clearly. Girls are not clarity. 4, that's all. So division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Boys percentage 3 this one. We'll see online answers. A lot of people give an answer, but time taken process. Azhar Sheikh, your answer right here. Sahiti. Sahiti, your answer also right. Okay, online also, 70% wrong answers found. Offline, wrong answers. Wrong answers. Both wrong answers. Both wrong answers. Huh? Why? You want to change? You want to change anything? Huh? First, multiplication. Second, division. Third, plus. Fourth, minus. Very good. Second attempt also successfully failed. That is what I'm saying. Fundamentals should be good. Then only you'll get the good programming in future. Okay. At least online somebody given right answers. Now online students, I'm giving the what is right answer, cross check it. Because I checked already 30, 40 answers. In that 3 members a right answer given. So this is first. This is second. This is third. This is fourth. Next, girl side question answer. First multiplication, second division, third addition, minus girl, fourth minus. These are the right answers. Now cross check it, online candidates, how many you matched? How many your answers matched? You know, Gada? Once drop the message. How? As per the rules. As per the rules. What rule? Newton's third law. Newton's third law, yaar. Manikanta matched, Sahiti matched, Akil matched, one matching, Divya matched. Okay, good. See that somebody what they're explain, I explained, they are also feeling same thing only. You only knows wrongly అని మీనింగ్ అది ఎక్కడ చెప్పారమ్మా రైట్ ఓకే వాట్స్ యువర్ డౌట్ నౌ how it is possible how it is possible why not ఎందుకు కాకూడదు ఇలా why not you know na this order black shirt first one First division, next multiplication, subtraction, addition. Huh? He also knows. And okay, the small problem, sir. A small problem, communication problem, nothing else. Yes, sir, there is no parenthesis. So what? Okay, I'll give the small clarity to you. I think most of you students answered based on the BODMAS formula, right? Huh? But actually, if one secret you know, na, computers never follows the BODMAS formula. It's a trash. Computers never follows the BODMAS formula. Anybody, if he said that one, it's a wrong information. How can say that one, sir? Simple thing. You are following the BODMAS principle, right? Right? Follow the BODMAS principle. I'm asking one small question, answer it. Follow the BODMAS principle. 10 ampersand. Explain BODMAS principle, execution order. Follow the BODMAS principle. Now identify the what is execution order. Possible? Not possible. But this operator available in our program. Wait. So 10 double star 5. Okay, double star you don't know. Python you know the double star. Double star 5 greater than 10 equals to 50. Explain BODMAS principle here. Follow the BODMAS principle. Explain this one. Possible? Not possible. But then how you are following that one? Then what is the execution order of these? What is the execution order of these? More than that BODMAS principle, something is there. What is that, sir? Priorities. Operator priorities. So follow always operator priorities. Don't follow the BODMAS principle blindly. If you follow that one, 100% your guessing is wrong. Your expected outputs also wrong only. So every programming language, they have operators priority. CSS selectors last topic, remember? Selectors precedence and I explained. Like that, we have operator precedence also. One more clarity, see this one, sir. Mathematics operators, BODMAS following, maybe it's a correct term, but other cases it is not correct. Other cases 100%. As a Java students, you should not follow the BODMAS first of all. Python and leave it. You should not follow the BODMAS first of all. Any Java candidates? You never follow the BODMAS. So every language is not following that one, especially you, because other language may be proof not possible. But Java language, we have proofs clearly. It's not following the BODMAS anymore. But still you are doing the same mistakes and God only saves you. Simple thing, BODMAS spelling you know whether? Not you, sir. It's not your problem. 80% of the world following the BODMAS principle. Bad time, bad leg. Unfortunately, what is the wrong thing that we are following? On a YouTube channels, but see, use the small programming sense, common sense, the programming sense. Programming sense. What is the BODMAS spelling? How many letters available? 6 letters. 6 letters, how many operators representing? 6 operators. Yesterday, how many operators I explained? How? Discussed operators count like as Everest. BODMAS covering only 6. Remaining what? Which mass? Over massa? Mamma massa? Which mass? So clear a point. Online candidates who raised why? Got it a clarity? precedence, operators, priorities. You should follow. As per BODMAS, addition comes first. Correct, sir, but I'm not following the BODMAS, sir. After completion of Ramayana, why Sita and Naresh? Correct. BODMAS is saying addition first to subtraction next to. No doubt at all. 100%. Ekdam perfect. But we are not following BODMAS. Clear? Lot of online students, you dropped message. How, why, what, rule. Operator priorities, same as to selectors priority. So, see that yesterday's onwards, how many operators we discussed. Arithmetic operators, how many symbols I explained? 6 symbols. Next, relational operators, how many symbols? 8 symbols. 8 relational operators. Next, logical operators, how many? 3. And next one, assignment operator. 1. Okay, count as 1. Actually, 7 I explained. 1 only can count it. Next, increment operator, decrement operator. 2. And last one is the ternary operator. It is general. Still lot of pending is there. We have so many operators. But count all these operators. 6 plus 8, 14 plus 3, 17, 18, 20, 21 operators we completed already. Categories, the number of operators I'm talking. 21 operators. But BODMAS covering only remaining 15, sir. Got it, clarity? What is remaining 15? Operator priorities. So half BODMAS, half this one instead of that one. Follow always operator precedence or operator priorities. But we don't know what is operator priorities, sir. Notes checked, JavaScript document. Google Drive already JavaScript document I posted. Checked. In that 11th page, 12th page, operators priorities and one big table available. A big table is there. First which operator is working, next which operator working, and a big size table I given. So when you have the free time, refer the table. You will get the clarity. First which one, next which one, next which one, next which one. That is the meaning. Now just for idea purpose, some main operators I'm listing here also. Not all, some main operators, but mostly used operators. Full information, document available, refer that one. Full information in document available, refer that one. So I'm going to highlighting here the main operators. See, just an idea purpose. Operators preference or operator priorities. The topmost priority in all operators is the parenthesis. Brackets. BODMAS B bracket. B for bracket. Second topmost priority, dot. Member operator. Dot, member operator. Next priority, topmost what's surrounding? Angle brackets. Array representation. Topmost, third topmost priority. Based on the associativity, some operators are changing also. Generally, I'm talking here. And I'm not listing all major operators listing. After this one, in major operators, who is the next one is comes, sir? Increment operators. Decrement operator. Compared to your multiplication modulus, so increment first runs. Really, yes, sir. Yes, so 15 minutes back I explained, 10 multiplied with plus plus. 10 multiplied with plus plus x, x plus plus to a value. One statement, first multiplication done, increment is done. Increment, one statement. Next multiplication. Another statement, multiplication first, increment. And changing, see that based on the associativity. So compared to percentage, increment first runs. Or BODMAS never said this point. Clear? That is. So don't follow the BODMAS for your safety. Which increments are? Not all increments, only pre-increments. Only pre-increments. Post-increment last. We discussed the multiplication after last incrementing the post. So 57 into 10, no, 570. Then it becomes as a 58. The post incrementation very last incremented. The only pre-operations. Pre. But in this one, which is highest, which is least, sir? Plus plus, minus minus, sir. Both the same, not plus. That mistake you did in previous question also. Plus minus both equal importance. Based on associativity, importance is going to changing. But whenever your expression contains the both same importance. Or how it is runs first, sir? Left to right order. It is evaluating the expressions from left to right order. This is order it is following. When you have equal operators. See, this type of points I said 3-4 times in CSS. Applied the 5 classes on the same tag, C1, C2, C3. Which order it is applying? Top to bottom. Under your declaration order. Selectors gather vertically you design. Expression you are designing horizontal. You rotate like this. Top to bottom order. That is. This arrow key, if you right slightly rotate like this, sir. Top to bottom order. When you have the equal importance operators, when you have the same importance, same symbol. So in these two, one who is highest, who is least, sir, there is no answer. Both are same. But system evaluating from left to right order. Father important, mother important, what you are saying? Huh? Father. Go and say in front of your mother that dialogue. Cheaper cut ఉంటుంది కదా, cheaper cut. We can't say the difference between those, sir. Both, because both they're doing the duties only. Father doing father role, mother doing role. That is better role. This is not better role and not correct. So I clearly mentioned these two having same importance. Show Kumar importance. Next what, sir? Exponent operator. Double star. Exponent operator. After pre and post operations, next it will goes to exponent operator. Exponent operator next what, sir? You are strongly believing modulus. Next multiplication. Next division. But reality what, sir? All are same importance. When associativity is available, maybe priorities are changing. But if you combine with other operators, priorities are changing. But when you are using the independently, all are having the equal importances. That is in my expression what I said. Here percentage first, but here is the star first I said. Reasons are both same. First come, first service process. So these three having same, this is separate. Then only without confusion, I'm writing like this, side by side. This is separate priority and these three are having the same priority. Next to addition or subtraction. Who is first, sir? Both same. BODMAS plus first. But we are not following the BODMAS. Both are same. First come, first service. First, I'll show proofs also. You don't get any doubt. Everything what we discussed with practical, I'll demonstrate it also. Plus, minus, both are same. Maybe any of the languages they are not following it. I don't know that one, sir. But my language is 100% following. Even Java also following the same thing only. The remaining languages I don't know. But these two following and that also following obviously. Okay. Arithmetic operators. See that one? 6 arithmetic operators, 3 different of priorities. Double star, high. Multiplications, divisions, medium. Plus, minus, least priority. 6 arithmetics, but 3 varieties of priorities. After these, generally, mostly used operators are relational operators, comparison operators, greater than, less than. So who is this 8 highest priority, sir? Greater than, less than, greater than or equals to, less than or equals to high priority. This same priority, 4 same priority.
This meeting is being
So
recorded.
this 4 is same priority, this 4 is same priority. My expression contains the greater than and less than both. Which one first works? I did some small comparison. A comparison inside greater than available, less than available. Which one runs first? First come, first service. At the left side, I'm moving like this. Left side, when I'm traveling, first which is visible, that one I'll follow it. My expression contains the greater than and equal comparison. Which is first? Greater than first, equal next. That is differentiation. And after that, the measuring operators who are into plus assignment operator. Assignment operator. Assignment operator next who is the sir? Well, again plus plus minus minus comes, but this time is the post. This time is post. Same, these two having same priority without associativity. Associativity means it's combined with the other operators. Then priorities are going to changing. When you use the normally, this is. Even it's not total list, sir. Some operators, and major operators I listed here. Because some more operators available. Full information, table available, refer that one. So this number of operators following BODMAS is not correct. I'll demonstrate it here also, see that one. But in this one, I can't show the proof. Because if you do first this one and if you do that one for second, answer is same only it will comes. Generally same it will comes, no doubt. So 100% is 30, 10 now. 20 multiplied with 5, 100. 10 minus 10 now. 0. 0 plus 100. Answer is 100. And that is this one. Next, the second one, sir. So 10 multiplied with 5, 100. 100 divided by 30, 3.33. 10 plus 100, 110. 110 minus 3.33. 106.666. That is the evaluation process. Okay, now forgetting of the more proofs. Once again, lastly, but as per the priorities, identify which is first here. Total 4 operators available. 2 equal operators, 2 equal operators. So first who is sir? This one and then this one. After these two completion, what is the remaining operators? Minus plus. First minus available and then plus available. Equal gather left to right. So first minus I'll go for and then plus I'll go for. The reason. Same thing here also same. This is first, this is second because both are same. And this is the third and this is the fourth because of both are same. But first one minus first sir. Order. This is the difference. Order of evaluation. Next, for more idea, more demonstration, I'm trying to do the lot of experiments also, see that one here. So x equals to some 25, y equals to 8. Getting of more clarity, more expressions. I declared the two variables, both are integer number variables, x is 25 and y is the 8. Then go for that one. Document dot write followed by Document dot write followed by x plus y. We'll get an answer, sir. 25 plus 8, 33. 33. There is no problem. But 33 before, I want to add some message. Before the 33, I want to add some message. The sum is 33. Add. Sum is concatenation operator and indirectly plus only. This one. And end of this one, line break. Because I have to next message also, so I'm using line break. This is total calculation, sir. Double quotes or single quotes are your choice. That's not a matter. Anything is okay. Expected answer what, sir? Sum is 33. Expected answer. But system showing answer what, sir? Sum is 258. Operator priority. A priority you must know. Otherwise, for 4 to 5 questions, you are unable to answer in written test of the companies. Reasons are mostly Java, JavaScript questions, how it's under written test. They're giving some expression. What is the answer of this? And they're asking. They're giving a small for loop. What is the output of this one? Always theory are not asking. Code they are providing and directly asking what is the answer. Option A, option B, option C, option D. Evaluation, if you don't know, sir, wrong estimation and wrong answer selection. Easily 4 questions you will get like this. Fire. So don't neglect anything. Everything is important. But anybody, can you guess why wrong answer? Why wrong answer showing system? Expected of 33, but system showing the 258. Reason. These all and your whole expression contains the pluses only. All pluses. Every plus is having same importance. So I'll follow the left to right operations. This is the process. Sum is plus x. Sum is plus x. What is the answer for this one? Sum is 25. Concatenation, it is done. Why, sir? Yesterday I explained. One of the operand is a string. Compulsory it is performing the concatenation. So my plus left side string available, my plus right side x number available. But this side string is there, both concatenated. What is the answer now? Sum is 25. Next, sum is 25 plus y. Sum is 25 plus y. And what is the answer now? Sum is 25, 8. For that ending, it is going to applying the line break. So operator evaluation, if you know, you can easily guess this one. That is not a matter. So problem identified. Then solution we have to search. What is the solution, sir? The second plus should dominate the remaining pluses. So I need associativity. A partnership required. But a villain available. He's trying to kill the hero. But single he is not doing anything the hero. But what villain gang is doing? Contacting the another villain gang. Mana done movies with the common thing, sir. Recently I saw Ajit Kumar movie, Good, Ugly, Bad. So many villains are trying to kill the Ajit. Recent movie, Tamil movie. Reasons are individual gang unable to face the hero because hero gada. Then only 5 to 10 gangs forming as a one group and trying to attack the hero. In so many movies, this situation is available. That is called as association. So one gang 1 is associating with gang 2 to improve their power. Then trying to attack on the hero. Like that, this is also, sir. You have to association. What is that, sir? Into parenthesis. We are writing brackets, but a lot of people that is no idea. It's association. It's called as operator association. Brackets I know, sir. Brackets why you are using, sir, and association. Because whenever the plus is combined with this, they're getting more power. మన బ్రహ్మాస్త్రం కల్కి మూవీస్ observed. Whenever that weapon is comes to Prabhas hand, it's getting the more power also. But whenever the weapon is in మనోడెవరు Bachchan, Amitabh Bachchan hand, that is not special. It's just like as a small weapon. A stick is available కదా Amitabh Bachchan hand. Climax fight to Prabhas accidentally they're touching the stick. What happens? Miracle powers are comes. Association. Same on a Ranbir Kapoor, Ranbir's Brahmastra movie also same. Association. So this is solution one, sir. Last 15 minutes onwards, I am saying that one. These priorities may be varying based on the association. When you use the individually, there is no difference. When you combine with others, again priorities are going to changing. So solution this and problem is this. Is there any another solution, sir? Yes, sir. We have simplest solution. Don't use the concatenation. Simply go for the plus comma. There is no problem. There is no solution. Solution 2, this one. So first I highlighted the problem and then I am showing the two solutions here. Next, similarly, subtraction also I am going to performing here. X minus y, 25 minus 8, 17. Perfect. But what is the 17, sir? Subtraction. That message I need here, sir. So take the quotation. Subtraction is concatenation operator. And again, take the line break. Expected answer is subtraction is 17. But system showing answer is NaN. And it's error. NaN. N-A-N. NaN. N-A-N. NaN. N capital letter, A small letter, and again N capital letter. NaN. It's one of the keywords, sir. Not a number. Not a number. Means you are not a number. I can't do the calculations. Why this problem is comes, sir? Rama plus Rao, Rama Rao. Yesterday we did, right? Krishna plus Reddy, Krishna Reddy, right? Hyderabad minus Secunderabad. Ahmedabad, Ghaziabad. So possible, not possible. Then we'll get the answer NaN. Hyderabad is string, Secunderabad is string, but subtraction is not possible. So simply it's saying, yeah, you are not a number, I can't do the calculations. Indirectly it's an error. Indirectly it is a error. But error JavaScript is showing as a NaN. One of the FAQs, don't neglect this one, NaN. What is NaN and when you will get the NaN? One of the FAQ. NaN is a not a number full form. And when we will get the NaN, sir? When you are performing the arithmetic operations on wrong data types. While performing arithmetic operations on wrong data types. Then ultimate answer is NaN. Throughout the JavaScript, we'll get the answer NaN only. Copied? Copied? Sure? Sure? So see the problem. This is whenever you perform some operations on the wrong data types. Wrong data types means they are not supporting this operation, but forcibly you are applying. Then JavaScript is reacting with an error message. It's called as NaN, not a number. So if you write the Hyderabad minus the Secunderabad, you will get the NaN only. Yes, I'll check in console, temporary, in operation theater. So Rama plus Rao. Yesterday we already did this one, Rama Rao. And same way use the here Rama minus Rao. And Rama divided by 10. Rao. 10 multiplied with Sam. What is the common point, sir? You are doing multiplications, you are doing divisions, you are doing the subtractions on wrong data types. Then ultimate answer in JavaScript is nans only. One of your operand is wrong data type, result is nan. So problem identified. Why the problem is comes, sir? Go for again operator priority. So go to the operator priority. Subtraction is plus x. This is minus, sir. Minus plus both equal importance. I already said left to right you have to follow. But still somebody not believing. Another 5 minutes if you wait it, clear picture is comes. Clear picture comes. So sub is x. And what is the answer here, sir? Sub is 25. Sub is 25. Later, sub is 25 minus y. This side string well, sub is 25 minus 8. What you watched just now in console? NaN. That's all. Because you are doing subtraction here. Sub is the left hand. Right hand is the minus 8. Subtract the 8 from sub is. That's why it is showing the nans. Problem identified. Now remedy. Same association. Use the brackets. Remedy 1, use the brackets, associate with it. Otherwise, simply go for the comma symbol. Why this risky process, sir? Just go for the comma. Problem solved. One problem, 2 remedies. This is. So this is problem and these are the remedies. Next one. One more I am going to proving here. One more testing for priorities only. X multiplied with y. 25 into 7 or 8 or something is there. No? Answer is 200. 25 into 8, 200. Last 2 times when I check the subtraction, addition individual, I'll get the right answer. When I add the message, then we'll get the wrong answer. Now doing the same experiment. Product is concatenation operator. X multiplied by concatenation operator line break. Expected answer product is 200. What system showing? NaN. Sure? No, we'll get the right answer here. Multiplication amma. Right answer it will comes. Perfect answer. Reason, your expression contains how many operators? 3. In that, what is this star? High priority or equal priority? Then how NaN is comes? So first it is multiplying the x and y. Multiplication done, you will get the 200. This 200 is going to concatenating with your message. Then, so there is no problem here, sir. No remedies are required. No problem, no remedies. Next, last one, sir. X greater than y. X greater than y. So what is this, sir? Comparison operator as well as the relational operator. X value is 25 and Y value is 8. 25 is greater than 8 SR. Yes, condition true. Perfect. But I need message before that one. A message like that previous statements, I need the message. What is the message, sir? Result is concatenation operator, this one. But what is expected answer? Result is true. Result is true. Expected answer. But system showing different answer. Operator priority. You fully neglected operator priority in programming languages. I understand that one. No use in future. Operator priority. Why, sir? This expression contains how many operators? 2 operators, plus and greater than. Both are same importance or different importances? Different importance. Who is the higher importance? Plus. So first it is doing the concatenation. Result is X. Then the answer is result is 25. Result is 25 comparing with the 8. Directly 25 is not comparing. You have already answered here, sir. Result is 25 is greater than 8. Result is a string. 8 is a number. Then how the doing comparisons are? Converts into ASCII codes. Converts into ASCII codes. ASCII codes comparing. ASCII codes are going to comparing. String comparison, sir. Because simply if you want to say it, it just performs the string comparison, but not numeric comparison. String comparison, you know, whether letter by letter it is going to checking like this. So that is the reason why we got the wrong. Then remedy, sir. As usual, same associativity, otherwise comma operator. So write the brackets here, problem solved. Previous one false, wrong answer, because concatenation after it is comparing. But now, sir, first comparing and then concatenating. Then only we got the perfect answer. So first it is doing comparison. Greater than is dominating the plus. We'll get some result here, true, no, false or something. On these two, it is going to concatenate. Like that, if I write any relational operators, the problem continues. Problem continues, compulsory. So why this colavariety, sir? Then skip the concatenation operator and use always comma. So there is no problem. Instead of using the concatenation operator, every time if you use the comma, simple solution. But plus first term, minus first term, final conclusion. Comes to this line. I'm writing again that line, see that one. These are all the things no need. You just write RES. Last line, observe it. Observe the last line. Answer is NaN. Last line. Because of problem continuation. Even you can remove this one. Write this one simple. Answer is NaN. First plus and then minus. Put this in comments. Just to shuffle the order. Just order change. What is the output now, sir? Perfect output. Perfect output. What is the answer? 17 is result. Why? Because first minus executed. Clearer? First minus executed. It is doing the subtraction. You'll get the result. The result concatenated with this one. But here, first plus, then minus. But here, First minus, then plus. More than that, I can't show any proofs. Already I show a lot of proofs. Still following Bodmas? So this is the proof and small witness of the operator's execution orders, priorities of operators. That is the comment what I given in the top of the program. Operator preferences or operator priorities, anything we can call it. All these are expressions here. Every statement inside I use it the expression. Where is this is expression, this is expression, this is expression. All expressions. And when you are writing the expression, that expression evolution order, you have to know it. Then you can get the right answers. If you want to know the evolution of expression, first you should know the priorities of operators. First you should know the priorities of operators. Moving to the next one, sir. Operators related informations I already demonstrated. So moving to the another point, any doubt still? You want to prove anything? Okay. A small Java, sir. See that one. I'm defining two variables like as my language, two variables. So x equals to same values as see that one. Y equals to 8. Java program hai gadi. System.out.println followed by x plus y. Run the program. Answer is 33. Super. JavaScript also shown the same thing. So add the small message here. Sum is plus. Run the program, sir. JavaScript also did the same thing. Next, remove this one. X minus y. Run the program. 17. Now add the message. Subtraction is, what is the result? Compile time error. Core Java error. Compile time error. Compile time error. Bad operand types for binary operators. First one is a string, second one is a integer. This is the problem. The first operand is the string, second operand is the integer. So I can't perform the subtraction. Now see the Java candidates also once again. X minus y, quotations, is subtraction. Run the program. What is the answer? Adi matter. Java also following the same thing. What we discussed that only. These two languages following and automatically following and meaning. Next. So one more small topic I'm going to introducing here. Parsing. Parsing. P-A-R-S-E. Parse. Parsing. So this is the last topic in fundamentals, sir. In fundamentals or basics of the JavaScript, it's a last topic, parsing. So what is the parsing and how to perform the parsing? Parsing means data generally available in string format like this, sir. Double quotations. something data is available here. So this is string. 100 is number, but available inside the quotation. So it is a string only, 100%. But what is my problem, sir? Whenever the data available in string format, I can't do some operations. If forcibly I did that one, sir, nan sir comes. Then what to do, sir? Hold this 100, hold this 100, drag from the quotations like this. Hold that one, throw it. That is called as parsing. So get that 100 from out of the quotations. Get the 100 from out of the quotations. This process is called as parsing. So data in string format available. The string format data we are changing into the original format. What is original format, sir? Inside 100 is there. 100 means number. The string I'm changing into number. String changing into number is called as the parsing. This is yesterday and today what I said. We have total operators, even truth table is also available in document. Operators meaning clearly available. And next we have the operators priorities table also. Full list available, no problem. So when you have the free time, then refer this one. And this already we completed. This is our current topic. Page number 23, right now we are in documentation. So changing the data from string format to number format, as well as the actual format. That process is called as the parsing. Numbers available in string mode that we are changing into actual numbers format. The changing process is called as the parsing. So how to perform this parsing, sir? We have two options to perform the parsings. One is the auto parsing. Second one is the manual parsing. Auto parsing and manual parsing. Auto parsing means, sir, without writing the code, system is performing the parsing automatically. We don't need to write the code. System is changing automatically. Manual parsing means, sir, explicit some code, some functions support required. But we don't know when system performing auto parsing, when system need the manual parsing, sir. Here I given the list here, sir. 7 operators available here. When you are working with these 7 operators, system performing the auto parsing works. Online students, just a minute. When you are working with one of these 7 operators, it is performing the auto parsing. Why are these 7 operators only special operators? A special. And we have a lot of operators, around 25 operators we know, sir, yesterday onwards. But why these 7 only, sir? It's general thing, sir. And it's just funnily I'm explaining. But Hero invited their friends to their home just for small treat. Hero, a friends batch available, a 5 to 6 batch. Because sound party, big house. Well, their father businessman also, or duplex house also available. So Hero invited the all friends to their home. A 5, 6 batch friends though, along with the heroine also coming or not. Asal invitation meaning that one. Introducing the madam to their mother. Concept that one. But what is the makeup and cover up, sir? Mummy, I want to call my friends to give some small party. In that friends, madam is available. That's the common thing. Sir, madam available. But all are coming. All are sitting in the hall or sofa set or somewhere. Discussions are going on. But Hero, what they is doing, even in these friends, their close friends available. But they're not showing the total house. They're not explaining all these things. But Hero taking the heroine, this is room, this is my achievement, this is something. Total room is going to showing along with. Lot of movies we have these scenes. Special, is special. Like that, these are also something special operators. Any specific reason, sir? You can observe all these operators except the minus. All are more than the plus. They have the higher priority than the pluses. What are the list I given? These all are the higher priority than the plus. So when you are using any operator more than the plus priority, browser performing the parsing. Plus low priority and plus programmer should care the parsing. That is the thing. So why these operators only, sir? And this is more than the plus, more than the plus, more. These all are high priority than the plus. This is equivalence to plus. Greater than, sir, manual parsing. Less than, sir, manual parsing. Greater than or equals to manual parsing. Addition, manual parsing. Addition also manual parsing. Plus equivalence and below operations. All are manual parsing required. And these all are the auto parsing. The reason I explained, who have the higher priority than the pluses, system will responsible. Otherwise, programmer will responsible. Then how to achieve the manual parsing, sir? 2 processes available. One by using the functions. Second one by using operator. Yesterday I said we have so many operators. So one more operator I'm introducing. Parse operator. Officially yesterday 8 types we discussed it, sir. And unofficially I explained the rounding operator. Vertical slash. And this is the 10th model. Parse operator. 8 to 9th one is the rounding operator. And this is the 10th operator. Parsing operator. Still so many is coming, not out. So by using the operator, we can perform the parsing, as well as by using the functions also we can perform the parsing. What are the functions we have, sir? 2 functions available. One parse integer, second one is the parse float. Parse integer, parse float. Both are coming from the window object. Recently only I used some functions. Window.alert, window.confirm, window.prompt, day before yesterday. So 3 functions, and these are the another 2. Total window object inside, major functions of 10 available. In the 10, we just reached the 5. Window.alert, window.prompt, window.confirm, window.parse integer, and window.parse float. So previous 3 functions for the pop-up are dialog boxes, and these 2 functions for the parsing operations. These 2 functions for the parsing. So what it is doing, sir? Parsing the data from string to integer. What it is doing, sir? Passing the data from string to floating. Floating, not float to floating. Floating means, sir, double. Floating means a double. These are the just a sample. 100 with quotations. After parsing, 100 without quotations. 10.78 with quotations. After parsing, 10.78, sir. It's gone. Deleted. Reason, what is your function? Integer. Integer function points not accepted. So then only it is deleted. And next, Rama. Answer is nan. Reason, sir. Rama is original string, real string. We can't convert that one. And these all are, sir, numbers, but acting like as a strings, like you. Not listening, but acting like as a listening. So acting persons, we can convert like that. How, sir? And a small surgeries, operation theatre, small surgery is done, then automatically converting. Who are acting like as a string, that data we can parse is. Who is the real string, the data parsing is not possible. So obviously the answer is the NAND. Same thing, second one also, sir. The only difference is points. 10.78, 10.78. But here, 10. This is points not accepted and this is points is accepted. Remaining same to same. Balance things, I'll continue tomorrow. Thank you all. Any questions, online candidates?
Sorry, in weeks to complete out sir. So can weeks looking. Sir, exams ఉన్నాయి సార్ అన్ని. May 3 sir, May 3. Yes sir. ఈ లోపల complete. 15 exams. Thanks sir. Yeah. Thank you, sir.